Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Sumit from Backbench Coder. So in the last video, I have added the start auto music feature. So it basically generates random music from these buttons. And then we have also controlled the browser sounds with this slider. And in this video, I'll be doing this change theme feature, which is basically toggles between two themes, which is yellow and this blue. If you have not seen the introduction part, please watch this. I have described all the features of this app. So basically I'm going to create two themes. One is this default blue and the second one is yellow. Basically the sets of two colors, and we'll toggle them with this button. So let's do that. First of all, create two sets of colors. So I'm going to JavaScript. Nice. Let's say first one is theme 1 and then the second one is theme 2. Let's name the first one is, say it's in the constant variable, and then this theme, it's theme 1, and then this is background. Nice. And then this color will be the default color, which is this background. So just copy this and paste it here. And then the second theme, the theme 1, but this time this should be text, right? So one is for background and one is for text, but the color is sorry guys, this should be in quote. The text color is 00ff f1, which is again the default color, and inside a quote. Nice. Now let's do the same for theme 2. I'll just copy the syntax. Okay, this is theme 2, and hey, what happened? Theme 2, nice. Oops, theme 2. And the theme 2 background color is, I'll just copy my code, which is F7C340, and the text color is again has, I did a mistake here. Okay, 2D, and this should be has, this is a hex value. Nice. So you have two sets of colors, which is theme 1 and theme 2. And now we need to somehow access these root variables of CSS and change the color with the JavaScript. And all of this would be triggered with this button, right? This change theme button. So just get this button first using the ID. At this point you are familiar with the selectors, right? So let's name it const theme changer. Nice, theme changer. And then document dot get element by ID. What is my ID? Util button theme. So I got that element. Now I just need to listen for a click, which is theme changer dot add event listener. What kind of event? Click. Nice. It will give me an event object which I can access with this parameter. Now here we need to toggle between two themes, right? So first of all we need to store the current theme so that we can toggle the other one. So let's create another variable, which is var current theme, and this is, let's say, theme 1. So our default theme is theme 1, and here I'll be checking if current theme is equal to theme 1, then I'll go for the theme 2. I'm gonna create a function which is change theme, and I'll just pass the name of the theme I want, which is theme 2. I've not created the function change theme yet. Then what I will do, I'll just change the current theme value to theme 2. This is my current theme, right? And then else what? Else I will again call the change theme function with a value which is theme 1, and then I will change the current theme to theme 1. Nice. Let's create the function change theme. Let's do it here. Const change theme. Nice. So here I need to access the root variables, right? So first of all, let's access the root. So let's say let root is equal to document dot, how can I access the root, which is document element. Nice. And by the way guys, this root and this HTML are quite identical, but this root has like more priority, so that's why we define the variables in root. So let's access the variables. So root dot style dot these are nothing but property. So set property. Oops, what happened? Set property. Nice. What is the name of my property or the variables, which is background? So just copy this so that there is no typo, put it in a quote. Oops, this dash dash background. Now set property to what? So I need to access these parameters, which is, let's say, the theme. Okay, so I'll be checking if the theme of whatever theme. So I'll be checking here if the theme is like, if the theme is theme 1, like if we are going to change it to theme 1, then I will do something else. I'll change this background color to my theme 2. Quite simple. So the set property, if I want theme 1, this will be theme 1 dot background. Nice. And if this is theme 2, I mean if it is not theme 1, then this will be theme 2 underscore underscore background. Nice. And then we also need to change the text color, so just copy this and set property. This time it should be, I guess, text. Yeah, text. So text. Nice. And then it should be theme 1 and text. So theme 1 text. And then for the theme 2, just copy this and paste this. This should be text, and then this background, it should be theme 2 text. And just check the toggle is working fine or not. If I click on change theme, nice, nice. So this is one of the advantages of using root variables inside CSS. Like you can also use this for your dark theme and light theme. And guys, I also want a slight animation when this theme is changing. So on this button, so what I will do, I will add a class, and this class is quite simple. I'll add a class and then I will remove it after certain seconds. So I'll just copy this, or just don't need to copy this, just create another class which is the same as this auto music on. I mean what I want basically the box shadow. So let's name this change theme press. Nice. Now add this class when this button is clicked. So go to here, this clicked. How can we add this button? Theme changer dot class list dot add the class name of hey, change theme pressed. Okay, nice, change theme pressed. And just use a set timeout, which will basically fire a function after a certain milliseconds, which is let's say 200. Nice. And what I want to remove the class which is theme changer dot class list dot remove. The name of my class is change theme pressed. Okay, let's see. If I click on this, look at this animation. So that's all for this video, and in the next video I'll be using Unsplash API to change our background image. So that's all, bye.